There's always lots to do around the house or the cottage. I mean, literally, the list never ends. But today I want to talk about 3 things that are really easy to forget about. The first thing I want to talk about is changing your furnace filter. I know it's something we all forget about, yet so crucial in keeping your air in the home or cottage clean and prolonging the life of your furnace. This is a cool 4-pack of filters made by Filtrete that you can pick up at your local hardware store. They've designed a different style filter for each season, which should help remind you to change it every 3 months. The next thing on my list is your dryer vent. Now this one sits nice and flush to the wall, but if you have any large gaps or holes around yours, you're going to want to fill it with expanding foam. Today, I'm going one step further and swapping out my old flapper cap for a pest guard cover. This is also a good time to clean out any lint from the pipe, and remember to keep an eye out for buildup periodically. Now this is a super easy thing to do by following the directions on the package. Something else that's also looked over in regular maintenance checks is the strainer in the bottom of your dishwasher. Every dishwasher is going to be a little bit different, but they all generally work the same. First, remove the bottom rack and unscrew the lower spray nozzle. Sometimes there's a cover to unhook, sometimes there isn't. After that, you should be able to access the filter and the strainer. If you're having trouble, refer to your owner's manual or do an online search. You can find a lot of great instructional videos on YouTube. Clean away any gunk and sludge using a cloth scrubber and water. Now you can rest a little easier at night knowing all of these things are in pristine working order.